We are at the Columbia Icefields, and we're going out on the glacier today. We're going on the Columbia Icefields journey, and we're going to the Athabasca Glacier on that big machine, like a bus. And then we're going to the Columbia Icefields Skywalk for some spectacular views. They're going to return back to the center. And this trip is supposed to take 2.5 hours. We are here on the Icefields Parkway, and we decided to make another intro for the video for the 4 nomads. So I go by the name Mike.
I'm Leanne. I'm Dawn.
And I'm Glenn.
And we are
the
4 nomads.
So this is part 2 of the video. We have part 1 where we travel from our homes up into Canada. So part 2 is going to be our journey to Alaska through Canada. So follow us, and we'll put up videos as we go. Hope you enjoy it. Comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you. We'll see you on the road. First bus that we take is out to the transfer station where we get on a giant bus.
The marvelous, the fantastic. I'm running over adjectives and years. We can actually get a rough idea as to how big the glacier was at that time from these piles of dirt and rocks that you see all around us today. These are known as the lateral moraine of the glacier, or moraine, as the French say it. Feel that feeling in their stomachs right now?
Yes.
Yeah, you do? You know what that feeling is?
Fear.
Exactly, it's fear. And I want to start building up inside your body. I want the adrenaline to pump through the world's slowest roller coaster. Here we go.
Memes and I walking up to the glacier, Athabasca Glacier. We're on the glacier. So, yeah. Windy and colder, but not too cold.
No. I'm glad I have all my jacket and scarf.
Yeah. So, yeah, this is impressive. I'm glad we did this.
Yeah.
I filmed the entire trip down that grade.
Oh my gosh.
That was,
scary.
how many feet down did we go? Did
I
he
don't
say?
know. He did not. But it was like straight down.
So we are almost to the end of the area that we are allowed to walk. And so we'll see.
Nope.
Maybe a stream right straight ahead.
See the blue? Most of this is just like...
Yeah, I think it's right here.
You can kind of see it in.
That's the blue running water from the glacier.
Glacier ice.
It's got some glacier ice. We're going to try that out.
It's pretty hard. Tastes like ice.
Tastes like ice?
No. It does not actually. Taste it before it melts.
Here's my taste. Ice?
Okay.
Just
all right.
think. I'm going
Dad.
to get some water. I think I'm going to get some water.
Dad's getting glacier water.
Break it
He
up.
poured out our...
Oh, right there. Oh, that water is cold.
Okay. Now we had glacier ice. Now we get glacier water. What do you think?
Pure, fresh glacier water. Want to taste it?
Better than the water you poured out, huh?
Oh, yeah, much better.
Wow.
You good?
Yeah, it is ice cold.
We'll put the top on. Well, the driver's putting out the Canadian flag. He's got a drill bit, kind of like what we used to put the beach, put this towel in.
Now out there you might need those crampon things.
Yeah. Oh, that's a lot of water running here. Look.
This is.
Look how that water's running. All right, we'll do a selfie here. We didn't do that yet.
No,
Well, I did. We did one as we were walking out.
maybe.
Yeah, so we have enjoyed this special excursion. I hope you enjoyed as we post this on YouTube.
This is a neat one.
Yeah,
Yeah, this is nice.
this is one of the highlights.
But then, did you get the buses all down there coming and going? They're worried about global warming at the glacier.
Yeah,
I'm pretty sure these things aren't too good.
yeah. We're gonna go over there and get a picture of the bus, but you can see in the distance those buses coming down. In the distance, you can see those buses going up the hill. That is a steep grade. This may be Dawn and Glenn's bus coming in right here.
Okay, so I think Dawn and Glenn are on this bus.
Here's Glenn.
We had to get a tour that was 15 minutes after ours. So hopefully this is them, and I'm going to get them coming off the bus onto the glacier for the very first time.
Atop a snow dome mountain. The ice can be 100 to 300 meters thick, and its meltwater provides fresh water to North America. Places like Portland, Fort McMurray, Yellowknife, and Edmonton. It also irrigates our national parks. On our way to the Skywalk, on the left side of the road, you'll see the Shinwapta River. In some parts, you'll notice the river is a murky white color. This is because there's rock flour in the river. Rock flowers are like really fine rock that's ground up. It's been ground up by the glaciers. Because glaciers are basically like moving ice fields.
We are at the Skywalk. And how many meters is it off the ground? Do you remember? Well, we're going to walk over there. This will be the end of our trip here. This will be the last event we'll do. And then we're going up to Whistler's, the campground. See you. What did he say? It was 9 meters a year or something like that in order to...
Every year for 5 years.
5
I think
years.
it was.
Yeah. So we learned that there is a triple continental divide and water flows in 3 directions. And this is a section going to Halifax, New York, and a section going to Los Angeles. I'm not sure how that all fits together. So we're finishing up. We've seen all we need of the Skywalk, and we'll sign off for now.
And it's amazing.
It is
Come
amazing.
here.
Like everything we've seen
Like
today.
everything.
Everything is amazing.